Title: Hasbro bids adieu to eOne film and TV studio, Lionsgate coughs up $500 mil. TLDR, Hasbro, the toy titan, is letting go of its eOne film and TV domain to Lionsgate for a whopping $500 million. Once upon a time in Manhattan, New York, where toy shelves are stocked with G.I. Joes, My Little Ponies, and everything in between, a behemoth named Hasbro decided to have a Hollywood moment. But like many Hollywood stories, this one too had its plot twists. Have you ever walked past a toy store and thought, gee, I wonder if that toy company owns a film and TV unit? Probably not. But Hasbro did. And they called it eOne. So, why did Hasbro, a top-tier toy-making maestro, venture into the movie biz? Who knows? Maybe Optimus Prime wanted a bigger trailer, or Mr. Potato Head was angling for a director's chair. Whatever the reason, Hasbro thought it'd be a brilliant idea to dabble in the film and TV industry, amassing an impressive collection of 6,500 titles. But hey, all good things must come to an end. Maybe Hasbro got tired of dealing with diva action figures, or perhaps they wanted to shift their attention back to what they do best, crafting toys that spark joy in kiddos and adults alike. Thus, enter Lionsgate Entertainment, willing to throw down $500 million big ones to buy eOne. With this strategic move, Hasbro is refocusing on its core strengths and more profitable ventures. A wise choice? Or perhaps a missed opportunity? This leaves us pondering, will this move elevate Lionsgate in the entertainment race? Or will Hasbro find itself missing the cinematic world and its glitzy galas? And here's a thought for you. If toys were to take on the roles of filmmakers, which toy do you think would be the best director? Remember, kiddos, this isn't investment or any kind of advice. It's just news, and Turned Up News is here to present it in its spiciest form. Disclaimer, this report is not intended as investment advice, health recommendations, or any kind of advice. Please consult professionals before making any decisions. Question to provoke discussion: if you could see any toy become a blockbuster movie's director, which one would it be and why?